I just got off the phone with Alexis, and she like, what's in your hair? And I said, a perm. And she's like, what? And I'm like, girl, I know I had been day two straight, but come on now. What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Janae, and it is time to go back curly. I have done my part with this straight hair. It has got me through a lot of classes, and yeah, just this season of my life. Love the fact that we got some length going on, but it is time to go back curly, so we're gonna do that today. Overall, my hair, usually I can maintain it. I am not gonna sit and act like that's not a gift. That is a gift. Some people can't maintain their hair, and I feel for you. I do. So yeah, I know that's hard for some people, so I'm sorry. So certain hairstyles I can upkeep. The only thing is that I get really hot at my scalp. So sometimes the scalp does not make it. But everything else sometimes, for the most part, lasts. But yeah, I am ready to go back to being curly. Does that mean more hair tutorials? Maybe, maybe not. But we're gonna get back into the swing of things. Now, it's not much. Ooh, my knee. All right, what did we save? So I'm trying to think if I'm gonna start off on blown out hair. I know that defeats the purpose, but I am leaning towards that. Blown out hair or curly hair? I actually may end up doing blown out hair, so sorry in advance if people are like, girl, what? But it's because I am doing this very late in the day. Okay, it's not that late, it's like 5 o'clock, but you know, like, if you want to be done, I should have started earlier. It's definitely gonna be a twist out. I just don't have any products anymore. I've never used this. Have I? It don't look like I have. I need to try this out. Then I still have some of this that I probably could use. And I still have some dew left. You know, I got my fave in here. A lot of body. We like that body. That's all I have. Because the other mousse, I mean, I used it. So typically I would have used, hold on, is it back there? Oh, it's only a little bit. Like when I say a little bit, y'all see how far down that is? Nothing. So we're gonna leave that right there. Not, I'm gonna grab the dew instead. So that's what we're looking like. Now, I'm probably gonna use this for my scalp. And this as a pre-shampoo type of thing. And then conditioner. I do have the conditioner for it, but I kind of want a moisturizing conditioner. Or maybe I still use it. And then if I change my mind, I do have this honey and almond conditioner. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey, girl. What you eating? Corn. Airheads. What? Is that your first time? I'm okay. How I haircut. What you said? You said what? You said kind of like what? She got these too. She liked those too? Yeah. Oh, did you ask her if she likes those too? Mommy, do you like those? Airheads? She can't see you. You so used to me being on FaceTime. She putting the thing up. She said she gotta be there. She can answer. I just got off the phone with Alexis, and she like, what's in your hair? And I said, a perm. And she's like, what? And I'm like, girl, Girl, I know I ain't been day too straight, but come on now. So it's just a pre-poo. It does look like one low key. Let's see what my curls do, because it's just been months since I've seen my curls. Months. Well, obviously I washed my hair, but you get what I'm saying. We made it. Do we have time to examine my curls? Not really. We already knew the front. We already knew. We were already aware. Those are going to be kind of straight. So y'all see that? So yeah, those ends are kind of done, aren't they? I'm trying to see if that's just like old hair that was already messed up and my new hair has been growing in. I'm trying to remember. I don't know. Either way, we here. Best blow dry at all, but there's no point of going crazy with the heat when I know I'm about to put some product back in it. I'm gonna add rise on the ends. I feel like it's gonna be fine, but just in case, it's really the front ones that I'm like a little concerned about. Just not looking cohesive. So we're gonna ride that out just a little bit, and I'm purposely using these skinny rides. If you use like the white rides or like the basically ones that's bigger than this, white ones or the like the pink looking ones, especially the orange one, it's not gonna blend properly. So you want to keep them skinny. I'm just going up the hair just a little bit. Not perfect, on purpose so that I can blend. All right, so when I actually go to sleep with this on, time to go to bed. I'm gonna go to sleep with my hair like this. I was gonna sit under the dryer. I don't feel like it. My old dryer wasn't as tight on my head, But this newer one, which I love it, but it's tight on my head, and I just don't feel like going through that today. So I'm gonna stay up and study a little bit, but we're just gonna study for 30 minutes. We're not gonna overdo it. All right. This is my setup. Got the blanket, got the homework. We got to get to studying. Sometimes, probably most of the time, I go back in and fluff more. So I'm just going in, I clip the hair out the way and just went layer by layer. Now take your time. Here's a little before and after. So this side, oh, my neck. I barely moved. See the difference? Then this side I can fluff because where's the shade? I don't know where my afro pick is. You go from having several to zero? No, that's zero in Spanish. Bilingual. Better. All right, I'll be back. We're here. It is done. It is finished. We love it. All right, so I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Your girl curls is back. And yeah, let me know what y'all been up to. I'll get y'all in the next one. All right, peace. 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 Peace.